going out there, you guys? Marty Schwartz here with GuitarJams.com. Gonna teach you the main riff, the opening riff of this tune right now. I have a request list down there. I send free lessons on there, ebook, a bunch of other cool stuff, and it's where I take my requests if you want to learn the second part of this song. But anyway, I'm going to teach you that main riff right now. Here we go. Okay, the main riff starts with the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E. Maybe just nudge a little bend out of it. Then we're going to do the open A string, 3rd fret on the A string, open D, and then on that same string, 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 1, 2. Once it goes to the 2nd fret on the D, we're going to go ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E. So check it out. And the very first note of the song is that. Next time, if you're familiar with the song, same riff, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everything up to the beginning. First one again. Second one. Want to bend that. Then we're going to get our index finger. It's the same riff. It's the same riff up a whole step, which is called a modulation. So we're going to get index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and then to the 5th of the A, and 2 on the D, 3, 4. Pinky goes over to the 5th of the low E. So it'll look like this. So on the last one, you gotta bend that 5th fret of the low E into the first riff again. Okay, so once again, the whole riff now, everything, the whole intro. Here we go. One other thing in that intro, and that's what we're here for, the intro. When you go at open D, I looked up the official music of it, and it says that when you hit the open D, you should get your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G. And you play them as a power chord, so it'd be like. I don't do that. I just think I just learned it the other way, but I mean, it does sound good. Here comes this distortion. And when it goes up a whole step, the sheet music actually said this, which would get your index to the 2nd fret of the G while your pinky's on that. But that's the same thing as without having to mute the D string in between them. But like I said, I don't even play the double stop, but that is probably the more accurate way. Okay? So one more time with distortion.